Hello? Okay, we're going to do a magnetic field test on a microwave oven. Something I have never done with it on. And I just learned that the magnetic field level spikes huge. Okay, so I'm in a hotel room here and we got this new Whirlpool microwave oven. Let's take a look at it. So it was manufactured in 2016, okay, and the model is WMH31017FS, okay. So I've got the magnetic field meter here, and earlier I did a video on the induction cooktop. So you can see even with the microwave off, there is a slightly elevated magnetic field coming off it. Okay, because when we go down to the induction cooktop, it goes down to 0.35. So let's just put it on for 20 seconds here. Let's cancel that. Cook time 20 seconds, and let's start it up. Okay, so you can see right there it jumps up. Ooh, and over here by the magnetron, I think it's 350. Well, I'm moving away. But right by the magnetron, it's over 400. Okay. Let's do that a little longer here. I hate standing by these things, but let's do it again. Okay, so the magnetron, yeah, it's easily over 400, wow, look at the top there, 650, 1,000, oh my god. But again, no one's going to stand right there, unless you, so we walk away a little bit, and you can see, again, the level drops exponentially. But if somebody's just standing around here, not only are they exposing themselves to the microwave radiation, but they're also exposing themselves to an elevated magnetic field. So you're getting double whammied. And if you're cooking in an RV, for example, and you don't know about this, and that's a tight space, well, it's gonna affect your health significantly. Or if you're in a tight kitchen and you're not aware of magnetic fields or microwave radiation, it's going to affect your health and those around you. Okay, so you just saw it. I don't want to do the test again, but the magnetron, which generates the radiation, is probably somewhere back there. It's on this side, obviously, because this is where the food is. You have your wave guide, I think that's up there. I'm guessing it's up there because there's no other opening there. So yeah, the radiation flows from the top, but you saw this went over 1,000. I don't think I've ever seen this meter over 1,000. I've seen it in the hundreds testing some vacuum cleaners, but over 1,000. Okay, that was just scary. So I don't want to run that test again. I'm going to do a quick RF test, just so we can see with different brands. But yeah, so if you cook with a microwave oven, just make sure you stand away from it. And just another addendum, if you are cooking in an RV and you have metal walls on your RV, well, all that radiation is bouncing right back at you. It's like your little microwave oven your RV is now. Maybe even mobile homes. Anything with metal siding, okay, that would negatively affect your health significantly. So again, if you don't believe any of this stuff, obviously you see it on video, but the best thing to do is, invest in a decent magnetic field meter, okay? And if you don't want to pay such a high price, you can always share it with a couple other people. Maybe one of you buys a magnetic field meter and someone else buys the RF meter, okay, and you can share it amongst each other. So yeah, that was That was really scary. Over 1,000. Okay, remind me don't put your hand right there. But I imagine some people, they're, again, they could be cooking in the microwave oven and they're standing right here. Okay. Or there could be a microwave oven on in a room, and the microwave behind the microwave wall could be a bedroom. Okay. And let's say somebody's cooking a turkey. I mean, I've seen those things, who cooks turkeys in a microwave oven? But anything where the microwave oven is on for an extended period of time, you could be exposing someone in a bedroom behind it, And if it's just once a year, a turkey, okay, it's not a big deal, okay? But if you're cooking with a microwave oven on a regular basis, it's gonna be affecting your health. And anyone near this, okay, even if it's not in the same room, because it goes through walls, unless you've got a metal wall of some sort. So, yeah, okay. I can actually feel my hand right now. Because I put it up there, it's vibrating right now. It feels uncomfortable, okay? So, I hate actually doing these tests, but I didn't even know that. I didn't know to test the magnetic field, but it's another lesson, and I'm going to let my hand calm down. So, okay, that's the video.